Today we will see another tricky question. Find the prime factorization of 72 and write it in index form. Before solving the problem, please go through the below steps. Step 1. Start dividing 72 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 72 exactly, we get 36. Again, start dividing 36 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 36 exactly, we get 18. Again, start dividing 18 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 18 exactly, we get 9. Again, start dividing 9 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide 9 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 9 exactly, we get 3. Observe here, 3 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself because it has only one prime factor, that is itself. Got it? Since 3 divides 3 exactly, we get 1. As per step 2, please stop here since 1 is reached. Step 3. Collect all the prime divisors or prime factors. In this case, they are 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. Therefore, the prime factorization of 72 equals 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Got it? But this is not the final answer. You have to express it in index form. So, this can be written as 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. Got it? Thank you for watching. If this video found useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.